G'day everyone, I'm Ben Heffernan and I'm back with another art challenge video.
Go, that'll do. Quick painting, get the black on there, come on. That's enough now. White waterfalls, and one there, and one more in there, hey? That looks good. Okay, now we'll do a line across there. And bring that down there. That can go to the sides. More. Here we go. We'll get some green happening in here. And some green happening in here. Come on. Come on, get it on in there. Get it on there. Come on. I haven't got enough time. Oh, actually, I can do a bit of green down here. Bit of green down here. Yep. All right, come on. Let's get some red on there. Come on. Oh, gee, come on, Benny boy, and a bit of yellow. Bit of yellow towards the end. Bit of yellow, and done. Whoa.
Again, right down to the wire. Got up to the 1 minute stage there. As I'm pulling off this tape for the reveal, I did notice that I even started sounding like a turkey halfway through that, but it does stress me out. So what you hear is just raw emotion. But having said that, again, it's meant to be a little waterfall, and they're just fantastic for people that would just like to get their head around some acrylics.
Come on. Far too much. But I can't do it anymore. Can't do any more than that. That's as much as I can do. I'm going to try it. Yep, he's going for it. Right, now. Come on. You and a you. We've got to get you in there. Yes. Yep. Good. Now, want you. Bang. Come on. Bang. Come on, Benny boy. Come on. Even the dog's coming in to have a look. Come on. Here, some of that green. Get off. Green. Come on. I need these to come down. Come on. I need this to come down. Come on. Done.
Yeah, even my old lab popped in for a look to see if I was okay. Must be all the noise I make. I really like this one, and I'm glad I did go with a darker background, as it did make those really colourful flowers, which is what they're meant to be, stand out. But unfortunately, it did end up over to the right of the page a little bit. This next one, I tried to get away from the florals and the abstract and try a little space scene. So it's supposed to be Mars, I think, with a moon.
Come on. Yep, moon's in. Move on. Right now, red planet. Yep, red planet. Come on. Red planet. Yep, bit of black, bit of red. Yep, done. Rightio, now. Right, moon on there. And you're on there. Come on. You haven't got time. Now, where are we? Yep. You. I need absolute black. Come on. Yep, black. Come on, Benny boy. Come on, Benny boy. Come on. You need to put your stars on. Hurry up. They're off. Right now, stars. Oh, no, you took them off too quick. Oh, dear. Oh, this is going to have to be an abstract done.
Yes, I was meant to leave the templates on there while I was splattering the stars about, but as it is, it came out like an abstract. Again, this one didn't really come out anything like I'd planned or envisioned, but having said that, I still don't mind the end result. And I've said it time and time over again, and I'll probably keep saying it, it just surprises me that once I pull the tape off, just how colourful and vibrant they end up, just with that white border. So here I'm using my plastic spatula, and I'm going to just start trying to make some, well, there's supposed to be stems coming out, and I'm really not sure what I'm trying to create here, but here I've got a little bit of pink, white and purple all mixed together, and it does make for a colourful little arrangement. But having said that, I kind of wish I could have got the dobs separated a little bit more.
Come on, and done.
So again, came out quite vibrant with those purples and pinks and the white, and it was just a dark background with a little bit of burnt umber. This one was surprising. I didn't think it came out that well, but it must have resonated with some people because it got over 5,000 views as a short. And again, it was a calamity from the very start because I thought the stopwatch had started. So I started painting and then I realised there was no timer going down. So I had to quickly reassess, and that kind of threw me out a little. But I'm surprised I managed to get the whole thing finished within the minute, which I pretty much attribute to this large plastic trowel or spatula. It does cover the background very, very quickly.
Come on, 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 come on. Where's your thing? Where's your thing? You serious?
So like I said, calamity all the way through this. I'm amazed I actually finished it. It's like time went into slow motion because I actually had to go and get this little plastic spatula from another easel that I've got set up on the other side of my studio. So like I said, this one was just an absolute miracle. The whole thing came out within the minute.
Done.
And amazingly enough, we did get there in the end, and it came out rather colourful. As you can see, it's a nice big flower arrangement. I've got a blue sky, yellow ochre for the centre, and some burnt umber for the bottom. And yet, even after the fact that my stopwatch didn't start, I couldn't find my spatula, it was on the other easel, I still had 5 seconds to spare at the end of this pretty little painting, even with all the dramas.
Start painting the white on, get some white on, get some blue in there. Come on, come on. Oh, too much. Get that over there. Bit of that through there. Like that. Now I want some green just to the edges. Like that. And then I'm going to get you, wrong one. I want you as a bit of a green. Come through there. Down there, come on, 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 and up there through there, and then bring that down. And now I want, where's my yeah, wipe you off, and now I want some nice big purple flowers going through here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Benny boy, come on, come on, come on, come on, get on there, get on there. Bang, 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 done.
Yeah, the purple just would not come off my little plastic spatula there, so I possibly should have used a brush, and that would have daubed on a lot better. But again, came out as a colourful little abstract, and I'm still quite happy with it.
Go. Alright, this is going to be really colourful. Alright, and a bit of that there, and a bit of that there. Why won't my brown come out? Right, come on, 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 come on. Oh, too much. And yeah, that's alright, no worries. Might even put a bit of blue in there. Why not? Get my brush wiped off. Just some that. Oh no! I've blown it. I've blown it. I've absolutely blown it. I had it perfect. Stop. No good. All right, I absolutely blew it, but for the sake of the exercise, I might just see if I can get some more white in there, which I probably can't. As you can see, I've really got to, so I'll use this to try and bring that down. No, I want that brown. So I'm just going to see if I can somehow mix that in and then bring that brown back up through. It's about as much as I want to go there. Right, take that off. I got that off, throw that to the side. And now I was going to, that's right, grab some green. So I'll just see this as a bit of a, beautiful. It's exactly how.
If I had have just kept going, it probably would have turned out okay. But I just panicked and thought it's definitely not going to work. It didn't go as to the way I was envisioning it. But I thought I'd just keep going without the pressure on and just use this as an exercise.
Pink and white, and I'll just daub them in and around all over the show. This is how it's meant to turn out. And then I'll grab some reds. Oh. Then go a bit more red. Another one down there. Another one up here. A few more and nice big one over there. Right, I'll throw you a bit of yellow, Dob, dob, dob. Grab a bit more of him if I can. Dob. That'll do. Tie him up my sleeve. Come off there. Another one. But again, didn't get this one. Failed within the minute. But still quite colourful. Let's go. Heaps of white, a little bit of this in there, not too much, just enough, and then we'll get a fair bit of that down there. You're not going to come out for me, are you? Right, okay, let's see if we can bring some of this through. Adding a nice bit of colour, and we get that nice and dark down there, which is what we want. Probably could have gone a little bit darker, but that's as good as I'm going to get it. Now I want you, and I want you, and a bit of green through here. Get a bit of that. Oh, a bit too much there. That's all right. Actually, that's pretty good. I like it. I like it. Come on, Benny boy. Come on, Benny boy. All right. That'll do with that. Now, where's my brushes? Come on. Let's get some orange flowers on there. Bang. Come on. Let's get some yellow flowers on there. Up there and there and again and again and again. Right. Let's get some blue flowers up here. Oh dear. Oh, 53, 54. Come on. One more. And done.
Whew. So it's funny, with the pressure on, I think this one turned out better than the last one where I had all the time in the world. But again, it's just raw emotion. It's just a matter of having an idea in your head and then just having everything ready at your disposal, and let that minute just add all the pressure you need to be able to just produce something absolutely
Very
unexpected and rather colourful.
And a bit of beer down the sides here.
With this one, I wish I had have added a little more blue to the background, because when it comes to painting the flowers in, they look a little washed out towards the end. But again, once I pull the tape off, it doesn't look too bad.
Bit of green. And come on. And down. Yep, and a bit more. And down. Yep, now I need you. Bit of white in there. I want, maybe, and a bit more. Yep, and a bit more. Come on. Yeah, right. And I want another big one over here. There. No, too much of that other colour. No. All right, let's just get a bit of green. Go in the centre. A bit of green in the centre, and done.
I thought it was a terrible mistake picking up that orange, but in hindsight, having a look at it now, I wish I had have added more of that orange to the white flower on the left.
Bad.
But again, it's really hard to be able to think this out when you're under the pressure of that stopwatch. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you got some great little painting tips out of this, and happy painting.